Hello, welcome back to another WIZnet TV video. Today we'll present how to program WizFi360-EVB-Pico in Arduino IDE. We'll demonstrate how to set up your environment and guide through Wi-Fi sample project. First, add the URL in the Additional Boards Manager URLs. Second, install Raspberry Pi Pico board package from Earl Philhauer and select the WIZnet WizFi360-Pico board. Third, download Arduino library from WIZnet GitHub. As shown on the screen, make sure to clone the WizFi360-EVB-Pico branch. Fourth, set up sketchbook location directory. It is necessary to change sketchbook location to folder downloaded in previous step. And Arduino IDE setup is done. Once settings are complete, you can test any sample project in examples from custom libraries. In this video, we will demonstrate Connect WPA sample project. First, select Connect WPA in Arduino IDE. Second, define board as WizFi360-EVB-Pico. Third, enter Wi-Fi SSID and password where you want to connect your board. Fourth, compile and upload to the board. It might be necessary to enter boot mode. Now run a serial monitor. You should be able to see Wi-Fi access point information. For more details, please refer to the link in the description or visit our WIZnet Maker site. Thank you!